My name is Barista Herbert. Today I'm going to show you how I make quality coffees using Chemex. So first of all, we shall begin by boiling hot water of 92 degrees Celsius. Then we shall measure our coffee beans into a hand grinder. Today we shall be using a ratio 1 to 16 and we shall be using 20 grams of coffee beans. So we shall grind it to medium coarse for our Chemex. Uh, Grinding coffee beans using Chemex takes a little bit of time, but we shall persist until we achieve uh, the grind setting that we need for our Chemex. Once it is getting loose, it means it is done. So we shall get our Chemex and place on a weighing scale and get our filter and fold it nicely. But we shall put the side with the three sides lying on the spout of the Chemex. Then we shall get our hot water and rinse the pepper to remove the peppery smell from our coffee. Then after that, we shall dispose of the rinsed water and then place back our Chemex on a weighing scale and get our measured grounds of medium coarse into our Chemex and then tap the side to create a level. Then immediately we shall begin our first pour. We shall pour 50 ml of hot water and then we shall be preparing things. Then we shall pause for 30 seconds to allow our coffee to bloom. And then in our second pour, we shall pour a half of the remaining water or a half of the mLs that we need. Then we shall wait for 1 minute and 20 seconds. While waiting, we shall also agitate to ensure that all the coffee grounds are saturated and immersed into the hot water to extract all the flavors that we need in our final cup. So we shall be monitoring the brewing process step by step until everything is done. Then in our last pour, we shall pour all the remaining water. Since we used the ratio 1 to 16, we shall be getting 320 mLs of hot water. And then we shall also agitate, warm our bamboo stick, and then agitate again, saturating all the coffee grounds in our Chemex. So we shall be monitoring while preparing our glasses for our coffee. Then once it is all the whole coffee has drained, then we shall be monitoring it slowly, step by step. Feel free. One thing about Chemex, I love Chemex because it gives a clean cup due to the presence of the pepper filter that we use. Chemex was invented from Massachusetts by eccentric chemist Dr. Peter Schlumbohm. Its main aim was making a machine that shoots his daily cup of coffee. You can see the coffee is dripping, and then you can look at on the side of the Chemex, there is a ring showing that the coffee is brewing perfectly. Make sure you follow each and every step slowly for a better cup of coffee. Don't skip any step. You can see it has all drained, showing us that all the flavors has been extracted. You can see the appearance of the coffee grounds. This is how you can know that the flavors were extracted perfectly. A bed is created, and then when you look at it, it is dripping nicely. Chemex machine was invented in 1941, as I said by Dr. Peter. You can see it has all drained. And then after the brewing is done, we dispose of the filter and then swirl our coffee for a better taste. And then prepare our glasses. We shall warm to avoid our drink from cooling. Then we shall serve our coffee.